guys, welcome to another video. And today's video is a collaboration set for Charlie's Nail Art, and the theme for this collab was maple leaves. So I started off by doing these two nails, and I've done the first coat off camera as I always do, and I'm using the Nailwind 8041, and then I've popped them in the lamp to cure. Now on these three nails I'm going to be painting the outline of a big maple leaf, and it's going to go across all three nails. And to paint this outline I'm using my 000 Kolinsky detailer brush, and that is the Modelones black gel paint. Now I saw this idea on Instagram. It was a set that Honey Fan had done. I shall leave the link to Honey's Instagram in the description box below, and then if you want to go and check her set out, you can do. Also, you'll see there that in the top left hand corner of the screen I've pinned the website to Charlie's Nail Art, and underneath that is my discount code. But at the moment, up until the 30th of November, Charlie's Nail Art has got a Black Friday sale on. So when you come to place your order at the checkout, if you enter code 2020, you'll save yourself 20% off your order. Not only that, if you spend £20 or more, you'll also receive a free gift bundle as well. So if you head over there, make sure you place your order before the 30th of November and you'll save yourself 20%. Oh, and I forgot to say as well, if you do spend £20 or more and you have got a social media platform, i.e. Facebook, Instagram, if you go onto Charlie's Facebook, there is a post, and if you comment, share and like that post, you will be entered into a competition where you can also win a £20 Charlie's Nail Art gift card. I mean, Charlie's prices are super affordable anyway, but then to take 20% off those prices, you're bound to find yourself some real bargains, guys. Also, for those of you that live in the UK, if you do spend £20, you're not going to be paying any shipping on top of that. If you don't live in the UK, I think you have to spend £50 to get free shipping. But even their shipping prices are reasonable too. So that's definitely an offer worth taking advantage of, guys. Right, we're now coming to the last part of the outline of this maple leaf. So I shall let you get on and watch this bit, and I shall pop back in a minute. Now I shall pop them in the lamp all to cure for 60 seconds altogether. And now I'm using the Rosalind Gem Glue. I just thought I'd use this to stick these maple leaves down with because it's got a really nice thick consistency. I remember when I did a set before with these maple leaves and I tried to stick them into base coat, and it just seemed really bumpy, where when I was applying them into this gem glue, they was actually sinking into it, and there was not much bumps at all once I went over with the builder gel. So yeah, I decided to use the gem glue to do this. And those maple leaves, I'm using two different colours there. I'm using the rose and the bronze, and they're from Charlie's Nail Art, but I tried to have a look on Charlie's website the other day and I couldn't find them, so I've got a feeling they've stopped selling them. And where I'm applying these inside of the outline. I don't want none of these maple leaves to go over that outline at all. Also, I wanted I wanted them to look a little bit sparse. I didn't want them like all overlapping each other. I wanted you to still be able to see through some of the parts of the nail, so that's the look I was going for. What you didn't see me do, because I did it off camera, was when I got these maple leaves out, I've just bent them all slightly so they fit to the nail better, because I found them being too flat, it just causes more bumps. So the best thing to do is just like sort of roll them between your fingers and just give them a bit of a curve. You can actually buy a tool now that does curve these sequins, but I've not got one. I just curve them, like I just roll them between my index finger and my thumb, and it just gives them a bit of a curve, and I find they sit a lot more flush to the nail when they've got a curve in them. So I find that's the best way to apply these. Now that gem glue's all cured, they're stuck in place nice and firmly. I'm now going over with the UR Sugar Clear Builder in a Bottle. Now with this, I just do quite a thin layer to start with, just like a slip layer. And then once I've applied the slip layer, it just makes it easier to apply. You kind of get like a bead on the end of your brush. And then just go side to side down the nail and try and get it as even as you can. And then once you've got it as even as you can, just check the nail from all different angles just to make sure it is as even as possible, because it just saves on your filing time, you know. And then once you're happy with that, pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now you'll see there, before I pop these in the lamp, I just flip them upside down for a few seconds and it just draws the gel downwards. And now they're all cured, I'm now just filing them down. With this builder in a bottle, it is really easy to file. So I try and use an old file because it doesn't need a really like rough grit. So I find using an old file gives me a much nicer, smoother finish. So I've already done the other two off camera, as you can see there in the background. I'm just showing you how I do my filing routine. Also, before you go to file these, when you take them out the lamp, there is a sticky layer from the builder in a bottle. So you just need to go over with some alcohol or some gel residue wipe-off solution on a lint-free pad and just get rid of that sticky layer before you go in and file these. So once I've got them all filed, I'm now going over with a matte top coat. And I'm going over with a matte top coat because I'm going to do some more artwork on these. I want to go back over the outline, and I also want to paint the veins as well for the leaf. So cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And this bit, I'm just going over that outline again, just in case there is anywhere that their maple leaves have gone over the line. I'm just going to show you me doing the middle one, and then I'll do the two outer ones off camera. Then once I've done the outline for all of them, I shall flash cure them in the lamp for 10 seconds. There's no point giving them a full cure because they're going to get a full cure after I've painted these veins on. So I've just popped them in the lamp for 10 seconds just to hold them in place. Also, in case I make any mistakes, if I need to rub out any mistakes, I haven't got to worry about rubbing all that outline out and starting again. Now we're coming to the glitter fade nails, which are the two outer nails. So I'm doing a coat of the Naio Nails Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte Top Coat. And then I'm not going to cure that, because into that I'm going to be sprinkling this chocolate fine metallic glitter from Charlie's Nail Art. I absolutely love this fine glitter. It's so easy to work with. And I just think that colour complements that gel polish so nicely. Really, really pretty. I absolutely love how these two nails turned out. Because I'm applying that glitter into the matte top coat, when I pulled these out the lamp, some of the glitter was matte, but some of it was still shiny. I just think it left a really cool effect. This matte top coat cures in 30 seconds, but because I've applied the glitter into it, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds just to make sure it cures all the way through. And now I'm applying the Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte Top Coat to these three nails, and then I shall pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. And that'll be the set complete. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this set was a collab for Charlie's Nail Art. So I shall leave the link to Charlie's Facebook and Instagram in the description box below. And if you want to go and check everyone else's set out, you can do. So I really hope you like this set. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell, that way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.